I'm here to take you on a journey, my journey to becoming a multimillionaire by the time I'm 35. I'll reveal my master plan step by step, sharing my strategies, the bumps I might encounter, and the victories I will hopefully celebrate. The first waypoint on this roadmap is Brightdock, my 7-figure digital agency. Of course, this is revenue only and not profit, so there is still a long way to go. It's a fast-growing entity and a small star in the vast cosmos of the digital world. While we are not yet the leaders in the industry, our trajectory is pointed straight to the top. Freelancer.com, the world's largest freelancing marketplace, ranks us as #1 among 65 million members. A validation not just of our potential, but also of the quality that we deliver. At Brightdock, we've been fortunate enough to work with a host of prestigious clients. Rita Ora, Sky News, Airbus, and Freelancer themselves have all trusted us with their digital needs. But we won't stop here. Our ambition drives us to expand further, attract more high-profile clients, and continue delivering exceptional service. The next big move, appointing a CEO to lead Brightdock. As I shift my focus to other ventures, this visionary leader will ensure Brightdock continues its ascension. Parallel to Brightdock's journey, my personal brand is taking flight on YouTube. With a community of 7.8 thousand subscribers created in 2 months, the channel is a space for sharing valuable insights that I learned, engaging in meaningful conversations, and of course, documenting this journey. But my sights are set on multiplying this growth. The strategy? Establishing a network of various channels. These channels will delve into an array of topics I'm passionate about, allowing me to cast a wider net and reel in a larger audience. Both Brightdock and my YouTube network are vital components of my roadmap to wealth. These are just the initial steps. Up next, we'll explore my ventures into Dropservicing, my innovative side startups, and my foray into the real estate. Navigating through the digital world, I've come across a goldmine that I'm ready to exploit, Dropservicing. It's an art and a science of its own, and one I've truly mastered. The concept is simple, yet its potential is colossal. I work as a middleman, connecting clients who require digital services to the professionals who can provide. I take on projects, outsource them to trusted experts, and deliver high-quality results. It's a win-win situation. The client gets their needs met, the professionals get work, and I get a slice of the profits. However, Dropservicing is not a passive income stream. It requires a keen understanding of the digital market, strong communication skill, and an unwavering commitment to quality. I'm continuously refining this model, improving processes, expanding networks, and ensuring that every project adds another brick to my road to multimillionaire status. While Dropservicing offers an innovative way to leverage existing skills in the market, I'm also a firm believer in creating new value. Something that my side startups are all about. An example could be an app designed to revolutionize the bar experience. Imagine being at a bustling bar, music vibrating through the air, people laughing, glasses clicking, and instead of battling through the crowd to place an order, you simply pull out your phone and order your drink, all based on your preferences and ordering habits. How cool would that be? This app isn't just a convenience for bar goers, it's a game changer for bar owners. It streamlines operations, enhances customer experience, and can drive up sales. By offering this app to local bars, I'm adding tangible value to their businesses while creating another source of revenue for myself. And this is just one of the innovative ideas in my arsenal. The journey to becoming a multimillionaire is not just about making money. It's about creating value, solving problems, and seizing opportunities. Both Dropservicing and my side startups embody these principles. They offer solutions, create efficiencies, and in the process generate profits. As I forge ahead on this path, the next stages of my journey involve venturing into the tangible world of real estate, planning potential startup exits, and eyeing future investments. Stepping into the realm of real estate, my strategy of wealth accumulation takes on a new dimension. The city I call home is growing, its layout constantly reshaping, each new building a testament to its progress. With growth comes opportunity, and in real estate, opportunity translates to properties. I've already begun this journey with 2 apartments to my name and 3rd soon to be. But this is just the beginning. The plan is to expand my real estate portfolio to own between 7 to 10 properties by the time I turn 35, which is 3 years from now. These properties are more than just bricks and mortar. There are potential income streams that can be tapped into in 2 ways. The first option is to rent them out, providing a steady flow of income over time. The second option is to flip them, buying properties in need of a little TLC, investing in their transformation, and then selling them for a profit. Each property is an opportunity, and the strategy I choose depends on the circumstances and potential returns. While my ventures in Dropservicing, side startups, and real estate are all parts of my wealth accumulation strategy, it's important to remember that they are not ends in themselves. There are steps on my journey, and like any journey, there will come a time when I'll need to move on to the next stage. That's where the exits come in. An exit isn't just about selling a business, it's about recognizing its potential, nurturing its growth, and then knowing when it's the right time to let it go. Whether it's Brightdock, one of my side startups, or even a property, the goal is to build them up until they are attractive prospects for other investors. And when that time comes, I'll be ready to sell, turning years of hard work and strategic planning into a substantial cash inflow. The thought of letting go of something I've built might seem daunting, but in the business world, it's often a sign of success. It means that what I've created has value, so much value that others are willing to pay a premium for it. As we move forward on this journey, you'll see how these pieces of the puzzle fit together to form a comprehensive strategy for wealth accumulation and financial freedom. The final piece of my roadmap is not just about making money, it's about making my money work for me. The profits from my exits will not vanish into the thin air, but will be wisely reinvested into new and promising ventures. And this is where my journey transcends from being a multimillionaire to becoming a catalyst for innovation. Investing is more than just allocating money. It's about identifying potential, nurturing growth, and ultimately contributing to success stories. Whether it's startups that are disrupting their industries or equity in established businesses that offer steady returns, each investment is a step towards multiplying my wealth. My focus is on finding opportunities with a clear vision and the potential for substantial returns within a 3 to 5 year time frame or possibly longer. But wealth accumulation is not the end game. Financial freedom is. The ultimate goal to build a sustainable financial empire that doesn't just amass wealth, but creates a continuous flow of income. By diversifying my investments across digital services, online platforms, side startups, real estate, and future businesses, I aim to create multiple income streams that will keep flowing even when I decide to step back. So here it is, my roadmap to becoming a multimillionaire by the time I'm 35. This isn't a dream waiting to be realized, it's a reality in the making. By shaping this journey with you, my hope is to inspire you to take your financial future in your control and embark on your journey to success. Remember, the path to financial freedom isn't exclusive, it's open to anyone willing to take leap. If I can do it, so can you. Stay tuned as I share my progress, the highs and lows, the wins and setbacks, and every learning experience in between. Here is to our shared journey to financial success and beyond, and like always, see you in the next one.